Hi Dresser Cuties, Wayne here. Today we're going to draw Cola Rabbit from Harpy Hare. So let's get started. To draw a cute Cola, let's first start by drawing the eyes on the mask. So I'm going to start right here and draw a curve coming down to about right here. And then in this area, we're just going to connect it with a soft curve. And then we're going to use this as, I'm going to use this as my guide for a point, and I'm going to drag it to say about right here. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So about right here, and then connect with a soft curve. There. So now that I have that shape in, I'm going to come in here and just round this part off. And round this part off, and then I'm just going to shade this all in. And same thing over here. Okay, so now that I have that, I'm going to come above each eye. I'm just going to draw a soft little curve over each eye. About there. And then we're going to come in between the eyes, and I'm just going to softly draw a curve. And then right about here, another curve right here and here. Just an indication of the nose. And then right underneath here is where we're going to draw another curve. So this is going to begin the mask right underneath the nose. Then I'm going to bring this curve down a little bit and then go right back up to about here. So about right here where the eye is, and connect. It's just easier for my hand. So we're going to come back to the same thing about right there. So let's bring this down and right about here, connect. So now that we have that, we can go ahead, and in this area I'm just going to go up. So we're just going to start to draw the top of the head. And so I'm going to bring it up nice and high, kind of giving it a little angle, and round it off right about here, and then start to come down and connect. There, so that's the mask basically. And then since we're up here, let's go ahead. I'm going to find my center, and then I'm going to go to the left, go to the right, and then we're going to start the ears. So about right here, I'm just going to go up and say about right there, round off the tip and bring it back down. About right there. And then for some details, I'm going to come right here, draw a curve, and then another curve. So this side is wider and this is thinner. So same thing here. We're going to do the same thing, go up, nice and high, same level, and then round it off. And once again, just like the other side, we're going to bring it in. And same thing here. Wider here and thinner here. Okay, so now that we have the ears, let's go ahead and we're going to draw the face. So I'm just going to kind of imagine the face is about here because it's masked. So we're going to come in and let's say about right here we're going to start, and here. And I'm going to bring it to the center. So I'm just going to drag a point down to about right here. So I know where I'm going, and I'll just bring this down to create my chin and back up on this side. Then in this space, we can draw a little mouth. So not much of an expression. I will just kind of lightly just draw a soft curve and cap it off. Then from there, let's give a little neck right here in the center. And we're going to start to draw the outfit before we draw the rest of the hair. So now we have this little neck. I'm going to come right here and draw two curves. And then I'll connect to this part right here and come out and in. So So we're just creating this little neck piece right here and then connect it with a curve. Then we're going to bring it out. So I'm not sure what you call this. Maybe it's a cloak or a cape. But we're going to bring this out right here, and it's made out of like sticks, I guess. And so same thing here, about that wide. And then it's going to go around. But instead of drawing individual sticks, because that would take forever and too much detail, I'm going to come right here and add a curve coming back to here. I'm just going to kind of, as if we are having a bunch of sticks, I'm just going to kind of wobble my way around. But if you're not comfortable doing that, you can just draw a nice smooth curve. But I thought maybe this way we could give it a little bit of texture. And back there. And then if you like, you can just come in here and start drawing a bunch of little lines. And I'll try to do that. So I think there's like a little band here maybe. And all the lines. Okay, wait, hold on. I think it's, let's do it this way. So this is going to be straight. And it's just going to radiate out. So I give this part here some texture. Maybe I shouldn't be doing this with a Sharpie and just like maybe the color of the sticks. So, but hopefully you get the idea, like when you're coloring it, to give it that texture with all these lines. Okay, so now that we have that, we're just going to imagine the shoulder. So we're going to come back to the center, and right about here and here in the center, I'm going to draw a straight line. Then right about here, kind of where the armpits would be, I'm going to bring down this piece of clothing, kind of like the vest. Come straight down here, and then here, kind of give it a slight angle. And connect. And then in the center, about right here, we're going to come up and draw kind of like a belt right in this area. And before I forget, I'm going to add 2 circles right here for buttons. And then we can start the bottom part here of his outfit. So let's come back in a little bit, and I'm just going to angle slightly. So as we come down here, I'm going to start to zigzag. So let's say about here, there's 2 layers. So I'm going to say about right here, I'll just start. And I'm just going to come in here and kind of follow as best as I can without too many details. The original, so something like that. And then there's another layer. We're going to come in and here as well. Just slight angle as we're going. And just make sure you're still kind of in this area here. So okay, so then from there, let's go ahead and we're going to zigzag again. And come back in the center here, so it's easier for me to put the legs in. And here, and connect there. And then for the feet, the center right here, we come to the left, and come to the right. And right about here, I'm going to just draw this slight angle line coming down to about right there. And come down, making this part smaller, thinner, and then we're going to draw the feet. Come down, curve out. Right about here, we're going to give it a little heel and connect. So same thing here. About right there, just like the other side. Come down, little heel, and connect there. Okay, and then before I forget, we're gonna come back into this layer right here and just draw a straight line for some patterns. So just do that quickly, and then one here. Without trying to do too much detail. Here, okay, I'll just leave it at that. And let's see, then we need to draw the arms. So the arms are going to pop out about right here. So I'm going to go ahead and say about here, we're going to draw these poofy sleeves. So I'm going to angle. We're going to come down to about right here. So I'm going to angle out, and around here, we're just going to wobble and bring it in. And I'll just add a little curve right there. So same thing here. And about this area, wobble, and add a curve. And then the hands. So we're going to come out, still at this angle, and I'm going to end the hands about right there. So we're going to add a thumb, and the fingers go up and in. And I believe they're gloves, so I'm just going to add a little curve right here. And so same thing on this side. So I just want to make sure I'm ending about the same area on the other side. Right here for the thumb, go around for the finger, oops, and connect everything. There. Okay, so then last thing we need to do is to draw the hair. So about right here in this area, we're going to just start with some curls. Maybe there, and then one that comes down this way, and then just kind of wobble to finish it off. So same thing on this side, just to make it simpler. Curve out, in, and then you can put in some details if you like for the hair. And that is pretty much it for this drawing of Cole the Rabbit from Harpy Hare. If you want me to draw all the other characters from this song, please let me know in the comments below, and I would love to draw it for you. Thanks so much for watching, and if I helped you today, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.